Good morning, everyone. So today we started our stream early. So probably I'll start. I'm going to start my streams early every day around like 8:50 a.m. How are you guys? So I decided to do another giveaway today. It's going to be my funded features giveaway. So you asked me and I did this. Good morning, guys. First time here. Good morning. So, yesterday during Asia, I took two trades. I got long on gold, got short on NQ. Actually, I made great money. So I'm like, probably it's going to be chopped today, which is fine after huge drop last night. I got a bit more than 100 points on NQ, and I got like really like few points on gold. So that was my trade on gold. Like, see, I got perfect entry, and I just went for 2R for 2 hours this trade a bit higher, but once they closed it just moon like went to the moon. I'm like, well, my entry was 3403 and it went like to almost 70. I was with 1 minute, so obviously I just had to close on my target, but painful. So once again, that was my trade on. I shared my executions on Twitter, and I shorted NQ at 6 p.m. Right at 6 p.m., I entered my short right here, and I went for previous day low level. Previous day low level from yesterday, so a bit more than 100 points. No, I'm not going to lie, I did not expect to get such a huge drop, but I was at the right time probably. I was bearish during PM session, it was chop. But remember what I said yesterday, I would like to see a reversal from 15-minute fair value gap. I got a short trade right here. I got like 19 points probably. It was ugly, like consolidation. Short was from here. It was like 19 points. I was bearish, and at 6 p.m. I decided to try. I was like, okay, I'm going to risk like 13 points. If it's going to lose, then it's going to be lost, so it's okay. And I try this. Just it was bearish. I was bearish from 15-minute fair value gap. I mentioned that before yesterday. So happy with trades. So I took two trades. So right now I'm watching how we can respect 3-minute fair value gap. Basically, I have two concerns for today. Yes, took Friday low from last week. As you can see, NQ failed. Like another like touch. Basically, we have equal lows. Let me use demonstration tool. So basically, we have equal lows, and that's still flat candle. So just looking in Q, I would like to see lower, honestly. But only concern right now is, yes, just one concern that we see. See this flat top? I hate it so much when we have flat top. So I would like to be bearish today to go lower below Friday low or from last week Friday low on NQ. But this flat top makes me feel so annoyed. That's basically daily open. And I'm like, I don't really mind to see NQ lower because it makes million sense to drop. But looking on the ES, I'm like, will they leave this flat top? So, lots of questions about this. So we will see. Just what makes sense to me, just come on, take this Friday low. What's the problem to take this level right here? But looks like there is a problem. We just don't know what kind of problem it is. So looking at gold, on gold, we got nice pump this night, pretty much up during London. Give me 1 second. Pretty much up right here, but we have buy side liquidity still higher, like 16 points higher. I would say a good target. It's okay to not to have bias before of course, especially when we inside distortion consolidation. Of course, it's okay to stay without bias before 9:30 a.m. But like logically, let's talk about distortion. If I just go on 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, pretty much distortion was right here, right? And I'm ready to say like we broke below distortion low right there. But in order to be bullish, we need to get inversion right here. That's why I highlighted this fair value gap. I will change my mind to short to Friday low only if we may close above this level. It will be bullish Friday. But right now, like logically, I'm not ready to be bullish on NQ just yet because of this Friday low, this sell side liquidity. So they cannot leave this as equal lows, especially it's flat candle. That's Friday low. That's equal lows. Like, come on, are you serious? You decided to leave this? While, yeah, I mean, it offered SMT because he has took Friday low already, but let's be honest. Not necessary to leave this. Isn't it weird? Unfortunately, so this is how market works. Of course, that's scary, that's strange, but we can do. That's how work to trade market. No matter what is going on in the world, unfortunately. On gold, I already said that. So I like this buy side on gold. Just unfortunately, just for now, I don't see it up. I don't want to long, for example, to this buy side, but right now, and that's annoying. I don't see setup to enter long. I entered in Asia right here. Basically, I entered as a bottom, but I closed right here. Yeah, that's Friday 13, right? So even on 30-minute chart, like not enough information right now. If I want to long, like not enough information for me. What about you? So you're looking for higher, right, on buy side liquidity, but what about entry? So I would say just for now, I don't see any entry yet. Yeah. Maybe slightly retracement down since we got flat candle to buy side. I mean, I'm bullish on gold, but just kind of, I will wait. I will wait more, you know? And in Q, I'm going to repeat this again. I already said that. So as long as in Q is staying inside this gray area, basically 1 hour bearish fair value gap, I'm bearish to Friday low. I said we already broke below distortion low and we inside market maker buy model on high time frame. Really to long this, I would like to see inversion first. Then it's going to be bullish Friday. Just for now, I'm not ready to say I'm bullish on Q. Of course, gold is better. But yesterday I got short on NQ, long on gold. Like, both looked good in my humble opinion. So, we will see. We will see, guys. Also, we're doing giveaway today. My funded futures 5 starter plan accounts evaluations. Yeah, it's still too early in the day, so ask questions about indicators, guys. So I'm ready to answer. Ask questions about settings. Since we still have time, let's talk about settings, indicators. My daily, overall, I'm bullish on daily because right now we're inside second stage of re-accumulation. If you're talking about NQ, of course. So I'm bullish on NQ on daily, but just for the day, not really, not really. TGF, TGF. Maybe we'll get CJF today. We will see. Yeah, I will see you on Monday. Wish you perfect weekend and perfect the rest of the day. We have minor SMT between yes and NQ so far, but really to short this, I don't really mind to see yes and NQ forming order blocks. Yeah, you know, like for the day, I don't mind to see like we're taking out Friday low from last week because right now we have equal lows there, which is 471. And this is also flat candle. And if we hit this, honestly, would like to see even lower, maybe monthly open. Like, that's lots of points to drop. Like 300 points drop Friday. Let me think about this. I'm not sure. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. So we got too many failure swings. Definitely that's low resistance to downside. Exactly right. To the moon, I said I'm ready to change my mind and along this market if we may close above hourly fair value gap. So basically above 781. At this point, I'm ready to change my mind. Once again, I'm totally fine to be wrong. But just for now, not enough information on NQ to long this on medium time frame. For scalp, that's brilliant. That's okay for scalps too long. I'm not going to say like it's a bad idea. But like I don't want to see lower just yet. Once again, can be wrong, but just yet. Seven. Yes, exactly. So exactly. So I will change my mind to long all the way up to data high and VP high above this level, above 772. Exactly. So yeah, works for me. Agree with you. If it wants to drop, highlight two levels. I am going to have this on my chart as well. 470. I'm going to just type in the chat. First key level and last key level is going to be monthly open. That's it. So this means my lowest level is going to be 307.75. Yeah, but we may have low probability, but since it's Friday, probably PM session is going to be a garbage as well if IM session wants to be garbage. So who actually knows? We'll see. All right. Any other questions, guys? Definitely. Building low resistance to downside. Ideally. See? Usually slow move up leads to quick drop. Where are you from? From Belarus, not from Ukraine. No, from Belarus. Next to Ukraine, but yeah, it's Russian accent. So once again I highlighted this dominant OB. Preferably I would like to see holding this OB, but I know like it's still too early in the day. We still have time, you know. By the way, guys, starting from today, I'm going to start my streams early. So maybe we will be able to catch pre-market moves on gold and CL. So I will start probably like 8:50, 9 a.m. So it's going to be early. Since, you know, IM session most of the time is garbage on NQ, makes sense to look, yes, garbage. So makes sense to look on other instruments before market open. So that's why I would like to start early. Yeah, like 8:50, 9 a.m. Just makes sense, in my opinion. Do you think like this week and last week? This week was good price action. I'm not going to lie. Last week, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago was garbage, in my opinion. On NQ only, by the way. On NQ only. God, give us some setups, please. Just don't go to buy side without us. Just retrace to enter the trade. Be kind with us, please. Let's check Golden for our chart real quick. Daily. Display out. Oh, I'm going to keep my my entries because that's all trades that play out in my analysis for this week since Tuesday. I'm going to keep this on my chart to just track my performance on gold. I know, like, buy side liquidity is a target, but I hope it's not going to just run up without retracement. Just give us some, please. We got that's bullish on gold, but only trade that I saw was during Asia. Then I went to bed, obviously. mm, Nothing. Nothing yet. It can be just straight move up to buy side, which will be annoying because I really want to participate on funded accounts today on gold because yesterday I didn't trade funded accounts. Oh, guys, let's see. Minor buy side 34.76 is major buy side. Liquid major throw, but oh, about hockey game. Panthers started so nice in first period and it was like 3-0. And I was like, yeah, Dasha, don't be so happy. Like it's still too early on the day. Like, and I was like, okay, maybe they will try to defend their score in second period. But instead 3-3. I was like, really? Are you serious? I'm going to go to bed. I'm not going to watch this anymore. It's so stressful for me. And I've been like 5-4. Like compare the game that was 3 days ago and yesterday. Like what? Like they started 3-0. 3-0 second period and I've been 3-3. How? How? Or 3-4. It was beautiful game, yeah. But crazy at the same time. Compare what was 3 days ago. 6-1. And yesterday 5-4. Why? Guys, if you won just one time, it doesn't mean like you're going to win next time. You need to work on this. And 3-0. Imagine to be 3-0 and I've been like 3-3 by the end of second period. 3-3. So it was crazy yesterday. I said to my husband, I'm going to go to bed. I'm not going to watch this. Gold and silver color. Yeah, use this for SMT. I do use this for SMT. So as you can see, I have SMT indicator. Let me turn this on. So I have silver for SMT. So yeah, do use. I'm going to right now tap in the chat SMT payers NQ, GCSI, and CLHO. So you can use this for SMT. Right now, praying for the tracement down on gold. I hope to get this. Yes, silver. Talking about NQ and gold, NQ and ES, as long as we hold in this purple box, the dominant OB, I really would like to see lower. Overall, looking at 1 hour chart, in this 1 hour fair value gap, I'm bearish. So right, just for now, I'm bearish on the day, as long as we stay inside this hourly fair value gap. Yes, and as long as we stay inside this fair value gap, preferably below 50% of this fair value gap, I would like to see move to Friday low from last week. Because why I would like to invalidate my bias above this hourly fair value gap. So basically, it was distortion, right? Pretty much distortion. We broke below distortion low. It offered a fair value gap. So if my inverse is, so yeah, it's bullish. When we have huge fair value gaps, I hate it. Why? Because we can get reaction from like low from like this, but in reality it can be just fake. Can go like all the way up to the top fair value gap and drop then. I hate to trade inside huge fair value gaps because even if I see like smart money reversal on lower time frame, it can be invalidated immediately. So yeah, so I hate it so much. Talking about SMT indicator, yeah, it's on the screen right now, guys. Check settings. Pretty much default, but I use delete invalidated SMT. No, 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 no. Okay. Good morning, guys. Especially when it's slow move up. Hate it so much because normally when we have slow move up, it's going to be extremely fast drop. Which indicators I use for previous day high, New York Midnight Open? I don't use indicators for this. So basically, I create a template. So let me bring this up to show you. So I use this tool. I just highlight this, and as you can see, I have templates. I just need to pick this template. That's it. Highly recommend to use this. So like create templates so you don't need to type this every single time. For example, for this tool, I have also templates for fib retracements. Let me show you. I have template. It's easy to create this. So just set during template as you call this like you want, and you can like have a name on this fib retracements. Just spend like 1 hour of your time creating templates, and it's going to be easy for you then. Yeah, you're welcome. So happy to be helpful. Let me switch right now on gold to see what is going on. No, not enough retracement, unfortunately. Not enough retracement yet. By the way, guys, only 2 days left on my funded futures deal. Because if you existing users, you can get up to 25%, not up to 25% on any evaluations, but not starter plan. Also resets. If you're new user, like you will get 50% off. So it's only 2 days left, just for your information. If you want to get some evaluations with my funded futures, that's the best option, especially for new prop firm traders. Only prop firm that I can recommend for new prop firm traders in terms of price, like evaluations, like my funded futures. Yes, of course, you're right. I'm not trading. I'm here to promote prop firms, so of course. Nothing wrong with your eyes. You can see this, right? So basically, for previous day low and previous day high level, I use daily candle. I don't see any reason to use New York from New York to New York because I'm looking how we play from on daily candles from previous day high, previous day low level, especially sweeps. So it's very important to see this high. So for example, we got sweep right here. Okay, that's a sign for retracement down, right? So and that's very important to observe liquidity levels on daily candlesticks. But for equilibrium of previous day range, yeah, from midnight to midnight. Yeah, of course. So considering current M2 model for 9 a.m., all we did is trade below 9 a.m. open. And yes, you're right about this. If it wants to create OB, just follow this model. It should offer 2R. In different layouts. I'd never try this. So let's see. I can check this later after stream, and we'll let you know on Friday, on Monday, not Friday. So yeah, I will keep you updated. So I don't know honestly, but I will let you know on once again on Monday. I will try this for you. Yeah, you're welcome. So we got 2 minute OB. Market just open. I don't really like when market is open, but M2 model, let's just forward as this. 2R is going to be right here. That's 9 a.m. M2 model. Let's forward as this, so why not? Oh, market, yeah. It was it was so volatile. It was like maybe it's 9:30 a.m. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, we just forward as this. I don't mind to see Friday low overall. But when exactly? So I have no idea when. ChatGPT said we're going to 850. Wow. How you ask him? Just share with me. That's interesting. What did you used to ask him about where we go? That's interesting. Just interesting. If you enter the trade, it means you trust your analysis. Never feel bad about this. Next 4 hours, it's Friday. I really don't know what will happen. Honestly, I don't know. When market inside consolidation, like what we need to do is just trade from discount to premium, from premium to discount. And at this point, when the market inside consolidation, I would say it's hard to apply like regular rules for unicorn setups. I mean, for scalp, that's fine. But like regular rules inside consolidation, like, I know. Yes, exactly. When gold moves up and Q and ES for some reason goes down. Yes, that's right. I also noticed this. But gold doesn't want to trace down for me to end a long on gold. Market is open. Let's see what will happen. Will M2 model play out? It's already 1.5 hour. Here we go. My M2 model play out for 9 a.m. for 2 hour. 2 hour. I'm sorry, guys. Beautiful. Well, we went to 50% of this leg down, huge leg down from yesterday. When you trade 9 a.m. MTU model, most of the time you will be done before 9:40 a.m. Most of the time, I notice this. Where are you going? Why are you breaking the roof right now? Come on. Once again, above top of order for a vol gap, I will change my mind and I will be bullish. Said that before. Let me, yeah, like this. Once again, I want to go to for 2R only, but if you want to aim for top, for example, it can work as well. But I never know. I never know if it's going to go above 2R. I mean, especially if it's 9 a.m. hourly power of 3. What is 9 a.m. model? I shared this in video on YouTube 2 weeks ago. Yes, exactly. So just go on my YouTube. It's my last video about, it even calls like 70% win rate model. Or how it calls. How it calls. Something like this, like 70% win rate model. And it's not like, like bullshit who's saying like, I have 90% win rate model. I attach my backtest results. And I'm not going to sell courses. I attach backtest results so you can trade this. Like we highlighted this in real time, so no hindsight. Can gold retrace? Hate it so much on gold. See, like I would like to see slightly higher on gold. So I took almost 300 trades. Is it a lot? Not a lot. If not mistaken, I took 287 trades or 89 trades. So it's not just 10 trades and 70% win rate. Like almost 300 trades of testing. And some people for me tested this using bot on Ninja Trader. They got 70% win rate as well. It's not because I'm saying like it's 70%. And other people tested and got 70% win rate as well. So think about this. Think about this. And yes, I'm not going to sell anything. That's completely free, guys. Okay, let's talk about this. You said, guys, do you want to talk about this trade? I'm just going to explain why it was long for this model. Should I talk about this? Because like right now, just straight move up. Yeah, just real quick, because someone asked me about why I didn't use this. So I'm going to ask questions right now. Overall, when we talk about long above the open, short long below the open, short above the open. So our idea, for example, for just empty model 9 a.m. hourly power of 3. So we got hourly open right here. See this gray line right here, over here? So this means if price is going to trade below 9 a.m. open, there is a big chance to see potential long because price opened and immediately went down. So let's see. So as you can see right here, just right now, can I say we have OB on 2? Do we have order block right now on 2? Yes, no. Simple question. If yes, why? You're saying like it yes. Just for now, we already trade. I would say yes. Why? We don't have it. Nothing happened. Just yet. We want to use sequence of candles. And guys, right now we have order block. 2 hours already play out, so no trades anymore. Just for now, I don't see any other trades yet. Can I say right now we have OB? Just right now we have order block. We clearly can see this. We don't have questions about this. Like, imagine this candle closed already. Right now, this makes sense. Like, clearly we can see right now we have OB with strong closure. So entry right here at the open of next candle, according to my video. Oops. See this right now? I would say same on yes, by the way, we got the closure. Open to our. Oh, don't pay attention about this. Over, not really. See this, like, I cannot say we got like OB right here. It's not really OB. Just like pullback and continuation. So I mentioned this in my video as well. If you didn't watch this, highly recommend to watch this. But most of the time, sorry guys, you want to enter at the open of next candle because almost never, yeah, lots of people will tell me like, why not wait for retracement? Did you see lots of retracements to order block recently? Just tell me, maybe I'm missing something. This trade without bias. Did you see lots of retracements to order block recently? Maybe I'm missing something once again. Let's be honest. Who saw retracements to order block? I saw maybe like 2 times for last 2 weeks. So at this point, you want to enter at the open of next candle. I mentioned this in my video as well. So best idea to enter at the open of next candle. Yeah, that's perfect. First present fair value gap. So ICT yesterday said we need to use 9:30 AM when we have high impact data, but I cannot say we got high impact data. This means we are going to use 9:30 AM, 31 AM, this one, according to his idea. That's going to be first presented, guys. Right? You can wait for the retracement, but what I said, preferable to enter at the open of next candle because almost never will see the retracement. Like almost never, unfortunately. I said it's going to be a bit bigger stop loss, but almost never we will see the retracement. You're making a bot for this model. Some people created bot for this already on Ninja Trader, but personally, I didn't do this. I didn't do this, so I don't have it. But I can ask on Twitter who can create indicator for this for me on TradingView. If you guys know how to code perfect on TradingView, you can help me with indicator if you don't mind to create this indicator for a 2-minute model. If you're interested in this, just let me know, please. I don't mind to find someone who can help me with indicator. Free source code. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, you created code for MT5 and how it works? Tell me what results you have. Giveaway is going to be yet today, soon. You can help. That's going to be brilliant, honestly, if you know how to code on TradingView, because I'm not that good on this, so to create such a, in my opinion, complex indicator. Ask ChatGPT. Yeah, I know, like It's still hard sometimes because ChatGPT not that good in coding, I guess, for TradingView, for Pine code. Can do this. Also, I will ask my husband. Maybe he can help me. But if you know someone who are good in coding, just like free source, free and open source code for everyone to use. So yeah, just usually I try to recommend something for free, like some free indicators, because I know like lots of people cannot afford paying indicators. Yeah, I can ask 2 degrees for this, of course, but you need to keep in mind it's going to be paid indicator for you. So I was looking for an option that everyone can use. So idea simply like to have. I'm going to like chat with someone. If you send me a message on Twitter, I will explain what I need. Oh yeah, just please send me a message on Twitter so I can communicate with you there if you don't mind. Yes, that's what I will do. If someone can write this and don't mind to share source code for everyone to use this for free, that's going to be amazing. No, it's going to be just order block indicator with some height from candles on this side as well. That's it. Yeah, I can ask 2 degrees. He probably will work on this, but problem is it's going to be not $5 a month. That's why for everyone. So if I can find someone, because I'm not going to set the price for this. It's going to be custom indicator, so he's going to spend time on this. It's probably going to be $45 a month for everyone. But in reality, I just need order block indicators. That's it. Just with height from candles on the right side. I just personally don't think it's going to be like worth to $45 a month just to highlight order block for everyone. Okay, we'll see. No, not inversion, order block. Ryan has inversion for value gap. People saying that's good indicator. I also have inversion for value gap from Ryan. So I tried this. That's good, by the way. But I don't really need inversion, just order block. Oh, thank you. Thank you. No. Indicator for alerts, obviously, because you don't need to sit in front of your computer like, every, I don't know, like, you don't need to sit in front of your computer all day to do this. It's just for alerts. That's why I'm asking for free indicator. It's not about tape reading, it's just for alerts, if it makes sense. Yeah, on gold, I would like to see slightly lower retracement. No. Just according to my last video, it's just 2-minute order block. It's not someone's model. It's just like what I found works. At least I never seen someone explaining this model before me. So that's why I'm like, I'm not going to steal someone's model. Don't worry. No. It's just like 2-minute OB and hourly power of 3. That's it. A blue line? It's my hand. Just on this background, hard to see something other than blue color, honestly. It's just my hand. Every single drawing on my chart is my hand, but you can see indicator that I have on right now. It's hider from candles, SMT, which works by the way, and just TJF if, in case we can get TJF today. So we're still trying to respect I'm sorry, first presented fair value gap. And let's see if we close above this fair value gap, because if we close, I said I'm ready to change my mind and switch bias to daily open, like this. On 5-minute chart, pretty much nothing is going on. We got minor SMT, ES traded in this 5-minute fair value gap. Still inside first presented fair value gap. Kind of choppy right now. I like how gold trying to retrace right now. That's all I actually need. What time is this? So 10 minutes left. Let's see if it may create hourly bullish fair value gap on gold, and next candle can trade into this fair value gap. Let's see. You said you're looking for short on ES. Let's see. So kind of, I don't really mind to see lower on ES, but NQ kind of struggling right now. Good morning, guys. Oh, not right here. Okay. Just feel like we still have room to go lower overall. I could not say like I saw pre-market trades, for example, on gold and CL, but we were talking about in real time about this model. It was, I would say, 9:30 a.m. trade, like trade idea. It's that M2 model based on 9 a.m. hourly power of 3. So we traded below 9 a.m. It created 2-minute OB, 2R right here, 2R right. Sorry guys, 2R right here. Went even higher to the top of this hourly fair value gap. Yeah, and KB is stronger right now, exactly. So kind of struggling. But both created another 2-minute OB. How big range, by the way? Like overall weak range. Couple of SMTs at highs and lows so far. Do we have any news right now? Because I see volatility. So 9 minutes left. Let's see if hourly candle can close above the top of hourly fair value gap. At this point, I will be bullish on the day. Like this. Just patiently waiting for 10 a.m. Look at this pump. Yeah, right? We do have news at 10, but right now, I mean, that's war. Probably that's why. Let me check. Yeah, we have new high impact data at 10. Yeah, giveaway. By the way, let me find the link for you. Guys, right now, I'm going to send the form to participate in giveaway. It's same form. So guys, to participate in giveaway, I also pin this message right now in the chat. Just fill this form, and I will announce winners at 11, as always. InQ still struggling, so still trying to respect first presented fair value gap. Oh, you're so quick. Should I even enter? How come I never? I said already to you, I guess, yesterday. You're not alone. I don't even try anymore. Can you use magnets for this giveaway? Yes, you can. I never win as well. Me too. So never ever won something in my life. I'm not lucky, probably. Yeah, yes, looks good. I mean, definitely feels more bearish right now than in Q. In Q struggling. That's annoying. Like lots of SMTs right now. Like why doesn't want to do anything, just stuck in this consolidation. Guys, if you just joined, not to participate in giveaway, just fill the form. Okay, let's see how we can close an hourly on gold. Also watching gold. SMT settings. Are you serious? It's right here. Take screenshot. Yeah, probably if it wants to invert first present for a value gap, I would like to see attempt to drop. I know like lots of restricted countries, so unfortunately I cannot help you with this. Lots of pro firms, unfortunately, does not allow. Lots of countries. Let's take a look on our poll. So let's 37% said it's bearish, 33% says it's bullish, and 29% said I don't know. Like this means we don't have bias because like almost 30% of each section. The country where I'm originally from also in the restricted list, by the way. Crazy. So, like, restricted countries. So, my country, I'm from Belarus, so this country is restricted as well. So, let's see if my invert was presented for a value gap. Yeah. Yeah, gold retraced right now, but let's see where we can. It's going to create our fair value gap. So I'm watching right now if may create this hourly fair value gap and then retrace to this fair value gap. So it may offer potential sweep, and 5 minutes will be too long. This, if may get this, I don't mind to try. Still struggling. Let's see. I believe that they restricted because of government. So personally, you did nothing to them. So see how yes looks right now. Really good trap to back to discount while NQ did absolutely nothing. About to invert represented fair value gap, still struggling. Because ideally, I don't know, like right now, just yet. Oh, that's lots of points. Okay. Maybe like this. What do you think about this? So let's see if my invert represented fair value gap break below previous day low level. So something like this then. So 1 minute left until 10. On gold, I'm waiting for hourly closure right now to see if we create hourly fair value gap. It's 10 a.m. We closed inside. Oops. Sorry, guys. We closed inside first presents fair value gap, so obviously nothing I like so far. News came out. On hourly, I would like to see gold trading inside hourly bullish fair value gap. So minor retracement down to 34.52, 51. So let's see. Yeah, that's going to be a probably huge stop. I'm not sure about exact entry just yet and exact stop loss, but I would like to probably short below previous day low level only. So let's see. SMT between ES and NQ. It created volume imbalance, like solid volume imbalance so far. Anyway, even if it wants to like go up, I will save this trade idea for later because it's going to be valid at any means. Like even if it's going to like go up, then it trace back down below previous day low level, it's still going to be valid in my opinion. Valid trade in my opinion. Let me see what we have on M and Q. 1 minute chart. We don't have volume imbalance on M and Q. Just trying to compare what we have. Different high, right? Like 8 points difference between NQ and ES at this high. Well, cannot invert 1% fair value gap just yet. SPX needs to go lower. Struggling and keep struggling really. Pretty strong right now. Gold needs to trade once again into this hourly bullish fair value gap. Yeah, we traded into hourly fair value gap on gold. That's so far it. Let's see how we can respect this. So still inside first percent fair value gap on NQ. Let's check gold real quick. We have untapped fair value gap. So probably on gold, I don't mind to see we trading slightly lower to this fair value gap on 5-minute chart. We inside 30-minute fair value gap, we inside hourly fair value gap, just slightly lower to enter lower time frame P0A. Maybe a bit more. Nothing on 3-minute chart yet. Like really don't mind to see something like this before potential move higher. Is it OT? No, it's not OT, I believe. Yeah, it's not even discount. Yeah, if my trade into this OT, it will be nice before reversal. Let me set alert. Or create 5-minute order block. Let's see what will be first. I'm going to keep my eyes right now on this. Still inside first presented, so nothing is going on. Yeah, you're watching gold to 45. Yeah, somewhere there. So we have 5 minute bullish fair value gaps there. So if you can go there, I'm going to keep my eyes right now on this level. I'm going to highlight this on a micro gold as well. I mean, no rush. Let's see. Just need to wait because right now we're just stuck inside first presented fair value gap. Nothing is going on. Hello, hello. Crazy how it's stuck at this fair value gap so far. I'm gold. Let's see if it wants to create 5 minute bullish OBs, and then I need to see a 5 minute for fair value gap traded into. Guys, if you just joined, don't forget to participate in giveaway. So see pinned message in the chat. So I'm going to do 5 starter plus, not plus, starter plan accounts from my funded features. Yeah, my boys also love this ice skating. Best sport ever, honestly. Yeah, that's Friday 13th. So yeah. Yeah, I watched game yesterday. Soccer. My oldest son loves soccer, but me personally, not really. For our power of 3, it's up to you. You can use 15-minute change in the state of delivery of 4 hour power of 3 or 5. So personal preference. But I would say maybe makes sense to use 15-minute order block if you're looking for 4 hour power of 3. Like better confirmation. Yeah, you're welcome. I just personally don't love soccer. It's just like me. Probably that's me. Yeah, order block is the same with changing the state of delivery. As I usually say, like changing the state of delivery creates a real order block. Let's see about to invert first presented fair value gap. Connecting accounts right now. Come on, Apex. Well, it's but it takes so much time to connect accounts. Already more than 1 minute. Chart. Okay. Yeah, that's only the trader. So I'm trying to connect 20 accounts and it takes so much time for some magical reason. Well, connected. Going to. Let's see. We inverted to represent fair value gap. MNQ. Leader account. Leader account. And leader account. Okay. Let's see, nothing yet. Normally I am for 2R and that's it. Yeah, not in trades yet. Um, why? Okay, give me 1 second. Apply. So change the settings. Updated Ninja Trader a couple of days ago. A bit lagging in my opinion. So I would like to see how we can trade into this fair value gap right now. Probably I will look for the trade from this fair value gap. Yeah, most of the time I trade PM session only. So when I just, for example, set like potential target, potential stop loss, normally I set like 2R normally. Just right here makes sense to drop to Friday low, but who actually knows? So we just traded into this fair value gap on 1 minute chart. Waiting for the entry, but not in yet. Gold drop into my key level. 47.1 will be better to see. Sorry, guys. So a bit stuck here. Would like to see displacement. I will show 1/7 trade, so because I'm looking, probably I will try this very small size because probably I already done this trading like during Asia. Guys, if you just joined, you can participate in giveaway. So see pinned message in the chat. So I'm going to do 5 starter plan accounts giveaway. If you just joined, so just I would like to let you know you can participate in giveaway. It's so slow, right? Just annoying a bit because it's slow. Gold not in my fair value gap yet. Just need to drop to 470, 47.1. So still slightly lower. I'm keeping my eyes right now on gold on my another screen. Didn't touch just yet. Need to go. Where's my mouse? Need to go to. Okay, it's inside my fair value gap right now. So inside OT, not really like perfect OT yet, but I'm not expecting to see more than 33.40, 34.40. And you still start struggling, so I'm looking at gold right now. So basically, that's a key area for longs. I don't want to see price lower than this sell side. So basically, if it wants to reverse, we should reverse somewhere from here. Okay, going to keep my eyes. Let's see. Because I'm also focused on NQ right now. Silver for gold, yes. On gold, I don't want to see, if it wants to be bullish to buy side, I don't want to see price going lower. Let me delete this line right here, lower than this line right here. So for long, it must stay above this level. ICT in the chat? Why I keep mentioning ICT? So first displacement offered on NQ. That's a good sign for, I hope, for continuation lower. Funded next futures again. Yeah, I will do my business in the future. So yeah, I'll think about this. Honestly, I'm not sure. It's Friday, but honestly, I don't want to see Friday low. But maybe I'm asking too much. We closed inside already for a while gap. That's why I'm still bearish. I know, like, what about you guys? Because right now nothing happened. We're still inside our fair value gap. I mean SMT, that's it. I don't mind to see like really lower since we closed inside this hourly fair value gap. On gold, five if my 5 minute order block offered, so it will not go without you to long this. Yeah, let's see. So still nothing, absolutely nothing happened on NQ. Boring price action. So it went to levels that I was watching for. So let's see. Struggling. Only reason why I would like to see continuation lower is the closure of hourly candle inside 1 hour fair value gap. That's why I would say. I could say like Friday low or market is a scam, but it's consolidation, so I cannot really say if Friday low or market is a scam. So I wish I could be in this trade, but I'm not in this trade just yet. Not in this short, no. I will show you once I'm in trade. Not in this short. So guys, if you just joined, participate in giveaway. I will announce winners at 11, so you still have 30 more minutes to participate in giveaway. You know why I was talking about first fair value gap? Because I think in terms of market maker buy model on high time frame, and we broke below distortion low. This means I'm going to use the very first fair value gap one at the bottom since we broke below distortion low, and this fair value gap will act as inversion to trade long in the direction of target of market maker buy model. We didn't have inversion, that's why I'm not interested in like top second fair value gap if it may create inversion fair value gap with lowest fair value gap, it's going to be bullish. That's my opinion. Gold about to form 5-minute OB. Seems like we only run this sell side liquidity. That's it. No, like Friday low still remains lower. Like partial right here, yes, you can. Going to highlight right now this fair value gap over here. My only concern Friday low because it's equal lows, that's flat candle. That's Friday low from last week. Trying to respect sell side. It was 919 low. The question when they're going to leave, take this level. Honestly, made sense to take this level today, but who actually knows? Interesting week on years. Also, look how we're expecting 50% of this week right here. Would like to see even lower. Where is this low? The question, maybe they will leave this for Monday. SPX took, yeah, RTH gap, old RTH gap. Yeah, I saw this. Reaction from 25% by the way. Yeah, I mean, that's why I'm not in this trade. Kind of choppy. Look at this reaction from this sell side. Be choppy in my opinion. Gold created 5-minute OB, trying to retrace to 5-minute inversion. Let's see. So it's reaction from OT. I do like this. Also reaction from 2 standard deviation. Also like this. Guys, if you just joined, if you want to participate in giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. We'll do 5 starter plan accounts from my funded futures. Small 2-minute inversion. That's it. My children, summer camp. They're not home. Yeah, summer camp. Love this. Once again, I still like Friday low, but they might leave this for next week since it's Friday. So I don't know. Yeah, if you didn't enter giveaway, you still can do this. I don't know, like if you see invalidation of your idea, you can, but once again, I don't know, like it's up to you. On gold, we got minor closure above this sequence of down close candles. That's extremely minor closure. I don't really like this. But still, we got sweep on 30-minute chart. It's about to offer hourly sweep. That's pretty much it. So let's see what we have on 1 minute chart. Because I'm thinking about probably twin setup. It's okay. I mean, it didn't say that they close inside hourly fair value gap, British fair value gap. I did expect to see lower. I mean, it trades lower, but not what I expected to get. That's fine. Let's delete some levels so I don't need them. So they traced to 50% of this leg down. If 11 a.m. candle is going to close above this hourly fair value gap, I will be bullish once again. I already said it many times. Just as long as inside this fair value gap, kind of hard for me to be bullish. You said about low resistance. I would say low resistance is right here. Name of this indicator, this free indicator calls ICT high time frame candles. Right here. Jesus. Create a 2-minute order block. Create inversion. So it offered first sign of smart money reversal. Also, oh, sorry guys. Also, we have potential hourly sweep right here. But obviously, we don't have any order blocks on 5-minute chart because it was just straight move down. Okay, kind of boring right now. I do like how it offers you minute a smart money reversal already on NQ, but I don't like from where it happened. That's it. That's only the issue, I would say. I mean, looks. I like how it looks right here, but once again, on the issue, I don't like from where it reverse. Sweep, sweep. So anyway, Smart Money Universal on 2-minute chart offered. Unfortunately, probably I'm ready to invalidate this short just for now. You know, it's not really TJF because I don't see like it created new low of the day of the week today on Friday. Um, so not really TJF in my opinion. It chase back to the range. It's going to be my major draw maybe next week. I'm surprised to see they failed to do this this night. That's why I was like more bearish to this level. I mean that's fine, just crazy. Anyway, let's see. I'm going to observe right now. Guys, 15 minutes left to enter giveaway. So in order to participate in giveaway, just fill the form. If you see anything section, you don't know what to type there, type nothing. So it's going to be 5 stars airplane accounts from my funded futures. So you have 15, even more, like 16 minutes to participate in this giveaway. Wish you good luck. Equal highs so far. Well, honestly, I have no idea what they want to do. As long as they inside this fair value gap, I cannot honestly like look for a huge long. Just looking for setup on medium time frame, like not enough for me to long this just yet. Maybe 15-minute inversion will change my mind right here. But so as long as we inside like hourly fair value gap, it's still trying to respect 15-minute fair value gap, hard for me to long. That's why I'm like feels strange right now. Well, what time is this? 15-minute candle closed inside 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Still cannot be bullish. When you I guess during the weekend you will get a mail. It takes a bit more time. Maybe tomorrow. So yeah, you will receive this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just give us some time. You can enter only once if you already entered, so you cannot enter again. Thirteen minutes left to enter giveaway, guys. So I believe I need to get some information on 15-minute chart right now because I will be bullish with 15-minute inversion maybe, but right now I'm not ready to be bullish. Maybe we need to, oops guys, I'm sorry. Maybe we need to declaim first presented fair value gap, like to close above this level. Something right now, just inside OT, I cannot like look for bullish yet, for bullish setup yet. $5.94 left. I know, like, guys, you bullish, bearish? Like 50-50. I know, like in my opinion, makes sense as long as we're holding PD raise and like consider 3 PD raise we inside bearish 50-minute fair value gap, bearish hourly fair value gap, even respecting still inversion fair value gap, which was first presented fair value gap. Mm. Needs to invalidate this, I would say, to be bullish. It's still valid bullish bearish structure. I know, like, feels tricky, feels strange. Let's see. Yes, left equal highs, still inside the range. Almost touch 50% of this leg up. Yeah, maybe we are asking too much for Friday. That's fine, I would say. Guys, 9 minutes left to enter giveaway. And 9 minutes left to enter giveaway. So it's Friday. I want to take this easy. So I had like examples when guy, and not only once, guy won giveaway, but it was restricted country, so he gave account to someone else. So I'm not really bearish, I'm not really bullish, just like try to stay away. My children's Nathan and Daniel. Nathan and Daniel. Yes, left equal highs. No, like I have zero interest right now in trading, especially in Q. It's in Q. My weekend also starting now, I believe. So don't leave. We still have time to, and you still have time to enter giveaway. This giveaway is going to be 5 starter plan accounts. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, I'm not going to argue with everyone. It still feels like consolidation, in my opinion, so I don't want to participate in this. Hope I got some overnight trades. Okay, guys, 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Data high. I mean, it's Friday. I don't know. It's Friday, so guys, I don't want to expect too much from Friday because that's Friday. Going to pull some projections right now. Yeah, like maybe I would like to see the range between 2 and 2.5. Guys, I'm so sorry. Lots of drawings on my chart right now. I'm going to delete them. One hour chart looks bullish right now. Look at this over here. So that's definitely bullish signs. But I don't see good setups just yet. Guys, 4 minutes left to enter giveaway. So yeah, next week I will do more giveaways, guys. Yeah. Friday, huge overnight drop, huge overnight pump on gold. So I don't want to expect too much, honestly. That's why I'm chilling right now. You long at 650. That's fine. So I'm not really interested in Q right now. Kind of, looks ugly. Giveaway is a scam. I mean, I wish you good luck. I hope you're going to win this. So, I mean, I'm not long, so I'm not really interested in any trades right now. Only my concern, as I said, really we need to invalidate 3 PD rays to be bullish, at least for me. And I'm waiting for at least 15-minute inversion for a value gap right now. I like how this week looks right now on 1 hour chart. It's bullish sign. We got 2 minute smart money reversal to upside, but overall medium time frame still trying to respect bearish PD rays. Like ignoring medium time frame bearish PD rays, considering structure right here, yes, it's more bullish. I wish you good luck. Okay, guys, 1 minute left to enter giveaway. Well, let me prepare the form. Yeah, we will see. So, guys, honestly, I don't know what market wants to do as long inside this hourly for a value gap. Um, yeah. Let me open the form to see what we have. How many people participating right now? Guys, 1 minute left to enter giveaway. 1 minute left to enter giveaway. I will give you 1 more minute. And I will start 90 winners. Next week, I will post the video about liquidity sweep, entry, more giveaways next week. So chill on Friday. Okay, let me see what we have. Okay, guys. Starting giveaway right now. So you cannot participate right now anymore, like anymore at all. So I'm going to just put this graphic right here. So guys, you cannot participate anymore. Raise form. It was pinned message in the chat. It was pinned message in the chat. Okay, let's do. We have. Let me close my Ninja Trader. For 56 people from 2 to 456. Okay, first winner 128. And I'm going to send in the chat, and I'm going to send share this on chart as well. First winner is, come on, congratulations. Don't worry, guys, for more. 10. Next one, 148. $34. And last one, for 20. Next week, I will do more giveaways. Don't worry about this. 420, where is it going? Or Jewel. So here's the winners. Congratulations, guys. If you want some more giveaways, type 1 in the chat. I know lots of people want this, but let's see how many people want this. Type 1 in the chat, we will see. So I'm going to save winners right now. Guys, I wish you perfect weekends. Don't make stupid mistakes. My funded futures run on sale right now. 2 days left. If you just think about to get my funded futures, so keep in mind 2 days left to get 50% off for new users and 25% for existing users for on any account, but not on starter plan account. So what else? I will post new video, I believe on Monday, maybe Tuesday. I will do more giveaways next week. And I will start Steam early. It's going to be from 8:50, so I will trade pre-market plan, my pre-market plan before market open. So most likely, yeah. Don't make stupid mistakes. Thank you for watching me, guys. If any questions, ask me on Twitter, Instagram, or here. I'm always the user and blow account. So yeah, guys, I wish you good luck and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.